Hello, everyone. Welcome to the My Day 21 of 30-Day Healthy Lifestyle Eating Plan. This is a practical, nourishing, and empowering journey that will help you reset your relationship with food, energize your body, and embrace a sustainable way of healthy living. If you are new here, please take some time to like this video and subscribe so you can stay updated with all my health and wellness tips. On this channel, we believe in ditching diet mentality and embracing a holistic approach to healthy living, because you are more than just what you eat. So, let's dive into today's eating plan. Breakfast: 3 scrambled egg whites, 2 slices of whole grain bread, add feta cheese, 1 ounce of chopped tomatoes and spinach or any leftover vegetables from the night before, and 1 to 3 of an avocado. This breakfast is a balanced combination of protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. The egg whites provide a good source of protein, while the whole grain bread offers fiber and complex carbs for sustained energy. The feta cheese adds a salty and creamy flavor, and the chopped tomatoes and spinach or leftover vegetables provide essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. The avocado contributes healthy monounsaturated fats, fiber, and a creamy texture. This breakfast is not only delicious and satisfying, but also nutrient-dense, making it an excellent choice to fuel your body and support your overall health. Lunch: brown rice bowl. This recipe is actually from last night's dinner. We have 2 to 3 cups of brown rice, 1 piece of grilled chicken or other protein source such as tofu or tempeh, 4 ounces, and 1 to 2 cups of mixed vegetables. This lunch option provides a great balance of protein, carbohydrates, and vegetables. The brown rice is a whole grain that offers fiber, vitamins, and minerals. The grilled chicken provides lean protein, and the mixed vegetables add essential nutrients and fiber. This meal is not only nutritious, but also versatile. You can customize it by adding different vegetables, nuts, or seeds based on your preferences. Additionally, the brown rice can be cooked in advance and stored for a quick and easy meal throughout the week. By incorporating this brown rice bowl into your lunch, you provide your body with the necessary fuel to stay energized and satisfied until your next meal. Snack: 1 cup of sliced strawberries with cinnamon and 12 almonds. This snack is a delightful combination of sweet and crunchy goodness. The sliced strawberries offer natural sweetness and a refreshing taste, while the cinnamon adds a warm and comforting flavor. The 12 almonds provide healthy fats, protein, and fiber, making this snack both satisfying and nutritious. It's a perfect choice for those who prefer a lighter snack between meals. Dinner: turkey meatballs with quinoa and roasted kale. For this recipe, you will need about 3 to 4 ounces of lean ground turkey, 2 to 3 cups of quinoa, 1 cup of roasted kale. To make the meatballs, combine the ground turkey with chopped onion, garlic, and your favorite seasonings. Roll the mixture into bite-sized balls and bake or pan-fry them until cooked through. These meatballs are a healthier alternative to traditional beef or pork meatballs, as they are lower in saturated fat and calories. The quinoa adds a nutty flavor, and the roasted kale provides a delicious and nutritious side dish. To prepare the roasted kale, toss the kale leaves with olive oil, minced garlic, salt, and pepper on a baking sheet. Roast it in the oven until the kale becomes tender and slightly crispy. This simple side dish is not only packed with vitamins and minerals, but also adds a satisfying crunch to your meal. And there you have it, another nourishing day of healthy eating. We have provided you with a balanced and nutritious meal plan that includes a variety of wholesome ingredients to keep your body fueled and satisfied. From the flavorful breakfast of scrambled egg whites with feta and avocado to the satisfying lunch of brown rice bowl with grilled chicken and quinoa, each meal is designed to provide a perfect balance of protein, carbohydrates, and essential nutrients. We encourage you to listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues, ensuring that you eat when you are hungry and stop when you feel satisfied. Remember, this eating plan is not a one-size-fits-all approach, and you should adjust the portion sizes and meal frequency according to your individual needs and preferences. If you enjoyed today's eating plan and found it helpful, please don't hesitate to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Your support means the world to us. Thank you for joining us on this journey towards a healthier and happier you. Until next time, stay well and nourished.